Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Monday's Assembly. I hope you've all had a lovely weekend. I hope you've all been enjoying the sunshine, and I hope you are all feeling happy, invigorated, and ready to start your new exciting week. So in our assembly this morning, I want to talk to you about feeling happy. I want us to think about what happiness is. And I also want us to think about things that make us feel happy and content. Now, to help us think about what happiness is, I wanted to share with you my big box of happiness. And in here are some of the things that make me happy. Now, lots of things make me happy, so these are just a few. Okay, what makes me happy? So, a favourite book makes me happy. I like reading, I like being quiet and in a calm and relaxed space. So a good book definitely makes me feel happy. Daffodils, they make me feel happy. They're yellow, they're bright, and they make me think of the spring and all new beginnings. So that makes me happy too. I've also put in my box of happiness a photograph. Photographs definitely make me happy because they make me think of happy times and happy memories. So a photograph is in my box of happiness. Can you be thinking about what you might have in your box of happiness? I've put in there as well my family and friends, because my family and my friends all make me very happy. And it's tricky at this time because I'm not able to see them, but I can still be in contact with them and still feel happy. Chocolate. Chocolate definitely makes me feel happy. And the last one in my box is the sunshine. And we have been so lucky recently with all of the beautiful sunshine that we've had, because that definitely makes me feel happy. It makes me feel warm. It makes me feel cheerful, and it makes me want to get up and go and do things. I've brought with me today a really lovely book, and you can see that on the screen at the back. And it's a book called Happy. And it's a mindfulness book, but it's really beautifully written by somebody called Nicola Edwards and Katie Hickey. And it is a really beautiful book because it makes us think. So I'm not going to read the whole book, but I have picked out some of the pages in there that I thought were really, really beautiful and for you to think about when I finished our assembly today. If you want, at the end of our assembly as well, you could make your own big box of happiness, talk to an adult, talk to any brothers or sisters in your house, and perhaps you can make one together. And you could maybe add to that throughout the week of all the things that make you happy. Okay, happy. So happy can be lots and lots of different things. I'm going to try not to cover the screen. Listening. When we're still, there is space then to listen to the sweet song of wind in the trees, gruff rumble of cars in the distance, or the whisper of rustling leaves. Take a moment to stop and really listen to the sounds around you. Feeling. Even in the darkest storm passes, the sun can shine bright every day. We can sit with our feelings and notice how they roll through us, then blow away. What kinds of things make you feel happy? Relaxing. It's not just our minds we get trapped in. Our bodies can feel tension too. We can loosen our limbs when that happens. Like the sun from the clouds, we break through. Try tensing up all of your muscles and then relaxing them one by one. Loving. The warmth of a hug can work wonders. Being happy is something you feed with a smile or a touch or a kindness. Even the tallest tree grows from a seed. Have you given someone a smile or a hug today? If you haven't, maybe that's something you can do in a moment with somebody in your family. Breathing. We breathe deep and expand like the galaxy. We breathe out many thousands of stars, and if we ever start to feel panicky, this reminds us of just who we are. Take a deep breath, hold it for 2 seconds, and then breathe out very slowly. Shall we try that now? Take a deep breath, hold it for 2 seconds, and then breathe out very slowly. Happiness. Real life is right under our noses. It's what's here, not the future or the past. Every day is a fresh adventure. Now we live in the moment at last. How can you be more mindful each and every day? That's just a few things for you to think about, to be happy and to be content and feel happiness deep inside. Remember what I said about your big box of happiness? Try and make yourself one and put all of those happy thoughts inside your box. And any time that you're feeling a bit down or a bit sad or a bit lonely, go into your box of happiness and take out the things that you remember make you happy. Thank you for listening this morning. I hope you have a very happy Monday, a very happy week, and I hope you enjoy everybody that is around you in your house and that you keep being happy and working hard. Hope to see you soon. Bye.